Hi everyone. I wanted to welcome you to Photography 161. This is a new experience, that is, doing it completely online. We did have half of a semester in the spring in which the course was online, but now we're going full speed ahead. I think that there are a lot of good things that are going to happen this semester, and I thought that the first thing that I could tell you would be a walkthrough on the Blackboard site. You will go to Blackboard through your MyMC portal and access the course which you are taking with the 5-digit CRN number. And the first page will look pretty much like this. It is actually a page of announcements. This one includes